Good morning.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Before starting this morning lesson, let's pray first. Okay, please, leader.
Okay, Miss. For all of my friends, let's take a good attitude. Let's pray according to our respective religion and belief. Prayer finish.
Okay, thank you, Indah. Before starting the materials, I will take your attention first. Nihlu Sasi Astiti,
Present, Miss.
Nikomang Indah Pratiwi,
Present, Miss.
Angelia Fiorella Saragi,
Present, Miss.
Nilu Priscilia Wulandari,
Present, Miss.
Okay, everyone is here today. Okay. Today's material is narrative text. Does anyone know about the narrative text?
I don't know, Miss.
Ya, apakah sudah terlihat PPT-nya, Miss?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke. Yang pertama itu understanding narrative text. Narrative is a functional story or written story that is creating to entertain the reader. We usually fit narrative text in the form of fairy tales, folk tales, or other fictional stories. So, the purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader or learner in a story with sequential event that lend to climax and finally fin a relation. Example of narrative such as Dongeng Malin Kundang. Okay, next. Di sini setelah mendengarkan Miss menjelaskan, apakah ada yang tidak dimengerti atau ada yang sudah mengerti?
Izin, Miss.
Ya.
Apakah ada cerita atau contoh lain yang bisa diceritakan selain Maling Kundang, Miss?
Oke. Selain Maling Kundang, masih banyak cerita-cerita seperti Harry Potter, Tinkerbell, wayang, dan masih banyak lagi. This good if everyone understands the meaning of narrative text. Next, for example, explain the structure of narrative text. First one, the narrative. So the narrative structure contains of three parts: orientation, complication, and the natural resolution. First, the orientation section contains in introduction, to the characters, background, place, and the time of the story, or who, what, when, and where. Next, in the complication section, problems being to arise and must be resolved, complete by the main character in the story. In number 3, in the natural resolution. In the resolution section, also usually context the moral value and advice of the story, or what is usually called to coda. Okay, does anyone want to ask about the narrative structure text?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay, let's continue with the characteristic of narrative text. The characteristic and narrative consists of several paragraphs and use a language style. Narrative, or telling a story according to a time sequences. Number 2, the story created has a clear chronology or sequences starting from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. Next, context an event in which there is conflict has flowing elements such as times, setting, background, time, character, or characterization, and figure, and other. Next, linguistic elements. Linguistic elements must be carefully codified with writing narrative texts such as using simple past tense, verb of times, time conjunctions, specific character are not common. Action verbs are verbs that show action, sorry. And direct speech, direct sentences in the present tenses. Okay. Next, Miss, will you give an example of a narrative text? That's of example of a narrative text, The Legend of Malin Kundang. Apakah kalian semua tahu tentang cerita legend Malin Kundang ini? Kalian sudah pernah mendengar atau membaca cerita dari The Legend of Malin Kundang? So after you have seen the example of the Malin Kundang's dongeng text, does anyone have any question?
I want to ask how we can different the narrative structure, Miss.
So, as Miss explained previously, the orientation is that we can examine the paragraph that contains who, what, when, and where. So, we look the first paragraph is there. This paragraph. Selection the word, the elements who, what, when, and where. Did you?
There is
Me.
Okay, so the orientation is the first paragraph. And for part complication, we can examine which part contain elements of the problem of the story, or can we call it the main part of the story, and we can conclude that complication is the second, third, and fourth paragraph. Next is the resolution. This look at the last paragraph. You can see the resolution in the paragraph. This is because in the contents element of the end, the story or the relation of the problem. So the relation is at the last paragraph. Do you understand, viewer?
I've missed it. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss will give you assessment. Miss will give you question in the WA group. Please do it. Miss give 15 minutes, please.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss, I see everyone has finished. If so, let's discuss it together. The first, who can answer the first question? Raise your hand, please.
Hi, Miss. I answer number 1 is the Miss Cinderella.
That's right. Answer number 1 is D, Cinderella. Next, question number 2, who can answer?
I, Miss.
Answer?
Answer question number 2 is C, Miss. Orientation.
Yes, the answer is absolutely correct. Next question, number 3, who can answer?
I, Miss.
Okay, please, Asi.
Okay, answer in number 3 is I, Miss feel sick, Miss.
Yes, the answer is ability, correct. Okay, next answer. Anyone want to answer? Answer. I will answer question number 4. Answer number 4 is C, narrative. Okay, anyone analyze correctly?
I, Miss.
Okay, next question number 5. Want to answer?
I, Miss.
Okay, please. Yeah.
Beautiful girl, Miss.
The answer is wrong. Please listen carefully to the story. The story has element of a beauty girl. So, the correctly answer is E, beautiful girls. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Indah. Okay, because the lesson time has a finish, that's all the learning about narrative text. Does anyone have any question?
There is no, Miss.
No, Miss.
Okay, if no one asks, Miss closing today lesson. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
You, Miss.